Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a Gumroad account. Gumroad is an excellent platform for creators to sell their digital products directly to their audience. Whether you're selling ebooks, online courses, or music, Gumroad makes it simple. We'll walk through the easy steps to get your account up and running so you can start sharing your creations with the world in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and get you set up for success. To begin, navigate to the Gumroad website and locate the Sign Up button. You have a few convenient options for registration. You can use your email address or quickly connect with your Facebook or Google account. Whichever method you choose, remember to select a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. This initial step takes less than 1 minute to complete, getting you closer to launching your products. Once you've signed up, the next crucial step is to complete your profile and set up your payout information. You'll need to provide some basic details about yourself and your business. Most importantly, connect your preferred payout method, such as PayPal or a direct bank account. This ensures that when you make sales, your earnings can be easily transferred to you. It's a quick process, typically taking about 5 minutes. With your account ready, you're now prepared to list your very first product. Simply click on the New Product button. You'll then upload your digital file, add a compelling description, and set your desired price. Gumroad offers flexible pricing options, including pay what you want. Once everything looks good, hit publish, and your product will be live, ready for customers to purchase. This final step can be done in under 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.